Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I have a great addition to my home. As you can see right there, this is my new cooking robot. If you don't have time, you love cooking your food very fast, very convenient, this robot is definitely for you guys. As you can see right there, it's very compact, the size of it very nice. And guys, I'm going to show you once you open the box what to expect, because you know guys, I always love to do the unboxing of everything that I own, just to show you what some company, when they sell the things, they just send it anyhow. But I always love to do the unboxing just for this reason, and to show you what to expect inside the box. This video guys is in collaboration with Tyan Law or Tyan Law. I don't know if I pronounce it right. The name will be in the screen as you can see. They sent me this cooking robot, the KODY29. Guys, when you order yours, you can now receive 2 boxes. And one is the actual robot that's going to cook for you. And the other box, it contains the other accessory that you need for you to do all the things that you need to do with your cooking robot. Everything is so very nice. As you can see guys, inside the box they have a manual instruction. I don't like to leave blindfold when I order something. They have clear instruction how to care for the products. Guys, as you can see, well back, I really like the way everything is. And guys, if you don't like this color, you can always go to the website. They have white and gold. As you can see guys, it has the touchscreen display, internet option, so you can set it up in your Wi-Fi. Very convenient guys. Not only it's beautiful and it's functional, make your home look so expensive. Oh my goodness, you really need something like that in your life. Look at it. They have white and gold. They have other colors. If you don't like mine, you can always check the website and choose the one that you prefer. Guys, you really need something like that. Don't take my word for it, just order one and you will see what I'm talking about. Everybody that come to my home, they just like blown away with my cooking robot. I really love it. Life is so easy with Kody. Kody made my life so easy guys. I really love it guys. I really do love it. I do like everything about it. Okay guys, moving on to the other box. This one contains a lot of tools that can help you to use your KODY29 guys. Like I said, it's a well invest money. It has everything. So this is a multi-function blade, so you can use to do, each time you're going to cook, the robot itself going to tell you what you need. And guys, the best part about it can clean itself. As you can see, you don't have to scrub to do anything on your own. This robot can clean itself guys. Just order it. The link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it if you're looking for something very easy. It's gonna take your cooking to the next level, from spatula to the other necessary stuff that you need to cook. They have you. This is all the blade that you need. So every time you're going to do some cooking, whatever you're going to do, they will tell you exactly what you need. And the thing that I like the most about it guys, if you're somebody that watch what you're eating, it has a building scale, so you don't have to worry about measuring, because it will tell you the exact amount that you put in. It will tell you the exact amount calorie you're about to intake for the particular food that you choose. And guys, as you can see, the quality of the material, very nice guys. My entire family love this cooking robot guys. Not only it's modern, it's pretty with the touch screen, and it's safe and fast, convenient. It's beautiful. I love it guys. If you are someone like me with a busy life, this robot might be very affordable to you, because it has some great option that's gonna help you with the timing, 5 minute breakfast, 4 minute smoothies or whatever, guys. It's super good to have. So if you are someone that always on the one, and if you love Chinese cuisine, they have American cuisine and all the things. Once you plug it in, only one touch, Kody is ready to go. As you can see, guys, today I'm going to cook something very simple, only 5 minutes altogether. Guys, I really love how it's easy. Have my apron on, so let's start some cooking and keep on watching. Okay, guys, I'm ready to do my cooking. I already have everything prepared. Today I'm going to do a really quick meal. I love cucumber and eggs, so I saw a menu like this. I said, okay, I'm going to try it because I want to see how it tastes like, because they have it in hands. I said, yes, that's the one that I'm going to do. As you see, guys, it's tell you exactly how much calorie is in it, and you have step by step. Like I said before, you don't have to worry about measuring because the robot has a building scale. It's gonna tell you exactly what you need. And guys, I really like how easy it is for you to use. So you can just scroll up and down. It will tell you the exact tools that you need for the particular food that you're going to make. Is that wonderful? Life is so easy just to prevent me gain more weight, because I was 210 pounds and I struggle so much to keep those weight out. And this one gonna make life so perfect, you know, guys. After holiday, during holiday season, we eat a lot of things we don't supposed to, but after holidays, that's the time to do determination, to go back on track, just work out and eat right. This gonna make life so easy, and it's so nice to have, just good to have. And as you can see, I'm mixing everything. The eggs and everything gonna be in the same place. Like I said, I already prepared them. Just to make the video a little bit shorter for you guys, is first part is the cucumber and the pepper. I just mix together with the eggs. I don't eat white salt, I eat pink salt, if I want to say it this way. So you can always substitute. So if there's something that you don't like, you can substitute with what you use. For this dish, I have to use vegetable oil, 40 gram. Like I said, you don't have to worry about anything. So the robot will rate it for you because it has a building scale. I'm warming up the oil right now, and it would let you know when everything is ready. One very important thing, you have to make sure to close it. If you don't, it's not going to do anything, because that's the safety that I love so much about it. And it talks too. It will tell you when the food is done. Is that wonderful? I love it. Ready to serve. Bon appetit. Look at it, guys. It looks so good, just like the picture, and it tastes good too. And in the morning, I always like to eat my eggs and some cucumber. Sometimes I eat carrots, but I prefer the cucumber this morning, so it is a good choice for me. Guys, you can always try other Chinese cuisine if you want, but me, that's what I wanted this morning. Okay, guys, for my juice, and you can look at it the other way, but you can always search for it too for easy. I just have to show you different ways you can use the robot, guys. Cooking made so easy right now, guys. It's unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. Cooking is made so easy, guys. As you can see, so today I wanted the orange juice and with some carrots, and it tell you once again how many calories you intake, and it will give you the step by step what to do. Just tell you all the vitamin that you taking for this dish and everything. This is a great way, like I said before, to change your life if you want to eat right, to eat healthy. So this gonna take some doctors away. I can tell you guys. And for this juice, you're gonna have to use another blade. That's the multi-function blade that I'm using on this, as I already prepare my oranges and my carrots. So guys, I'm putting everything together, and like I said, it has a built-in scale, so whatever you put things inside, it will tell you exactly how much you put. So I really love this robot, guys. Make sure to check the link in the description box down below if you want one like mine. Me personally, I don't like the orange pulp. This part is optional. I like mine to be very nice. This is the finished look, guys. I really love this robot. Make sure to check the link down below. Guys, the food is so yummy. It's so good, guys. I love it. So make sure to check the box down below if you want something like that, okay?
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that
they have the original website. You can go ahead and check them, and they are on Amazon as well. So both of the link will be in the description box down below. Make sure, guys, to check them because super nice, guys. And then it tastes all the good flavor and everything, so rich, so tasteful. I love it, guys. Make sure to check the box down below. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.